Is it time to buy or sell Estee Lauder Companies stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Estee Lauder Companies. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 14th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 14th of February, 2025, our system has categorized Estee Lauder Companies as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.32. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. However, it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock currently rests within the lower segment of a broad and weak rising trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor of $64.44 be breached, it would initially indicate a slower rate of ascent and may also serve as an early warning for a possible trend reversal. The 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 2.19% over that period, with expected returns ranging between negative 4.13% and positive 27.67%. In terms of the 12-month trend, projections suggest a decline of 52.71% over the next year, with potential returns spanning from negative 72.57% to negative 43.91%. This equates to a price range of $18.84 to $38.53 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Estee Lauder Companies includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Estee Lauder Companies Inc. Stock Price After Friday Trading. The Estee Lauder Companies Inc. stock price experienced a decline of 1.41% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 14th of February, 2025. The stock fell from $69.67 to $68.69. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 3.47%, with a low of $68.56 and a high of $70.94. Over the course of the last 10 days, the price has decreased in 6 instances, resulting in a total decline of 17.67%. The trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is seen as a positive sign, as volume typically follows stock price movements. On the last day, trading volume dropped by 493,000 shares, bringing the total to 3 million shares traded, valued at approximately $223.09 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $159.53, while the lowest was $62.30. Currently, the stock price sits at 56.94%, or $90.84, below the 52-week high. Additionally, it remains 81.64%, or $305.51, below the all-time high achieved on January 3, 2022, when the price reached $374.20. Recent news regarding Estee Lauder, EL, highlights a challenging period for the company, marked by slower growth and headwinds in the beauty industry. As of mid-February 2025, Estee Lauder is grappling with significant issues, including disappointing sales forecasts and a considerable 23% drop in stock value earlier this month. The company's Q2 results showed a mixed performance, surpassing revenue and earnings expectations, but burdened by a substantial write-down related to Tom Ford. Despite this turmoil, there's ongoing speculation about Estee Lauder being undervalued, creating potential opportunities for investors. In sharper focus is the company's exposure to the Chinese market. Recent upticks in shares may reflect a recovery sentiment towards stocks connected to China, including Estee Lauder, which saw its shares rally alongside other major players. In the short term, the outlook remains cautious. Estee Lauder's announcement of up to 7,000 job cuts amid declining consumer spending underscores its struggles, and analysts expect continued weak performance. However, if the company can successfully navigate the current challenges, especially in improving margins and leveraging international revenue trends, there may be a potential rebound in its stock. In the long term, strategic restructuring and an improved economic environment could open avenues for enhanced profitability. Investors will need to weigh the impact of these developments carefully, as considerable volatility seems likely in the near future, driven by both internal challenges and market dynamics. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 31st of October, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned EL a neutral grade along with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo awarded EL a market perform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, it was reported that Deutsche Bank classified EL with a hold grade and a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of October, 2024, it was reported that HSBC gave EL a hold grade with a downgrade action. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, it was reported that UBS rated EL as underperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to the stock of Estee Lauder Companies. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Estee Lauder Companies. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, February 6, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 6.89%. Further rises are indicated until a new top pivot is found. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The Estee Lauder Companies Inc. stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock, indicating a more negative forecast. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $75.09. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $68.11. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will provide another sell signal and strengthen the overall indication. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk, as volume should typically follow price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger points to a buy signal from 12 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 8 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 198 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Estee Lauder Companies. Estee Lauder Companies Inc. identifies support from accumulated volume at $65.94. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and given the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.38, which represents 3.47%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 3.42%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Estee Lauder Companies, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and could suggest risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of May, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates stand at 57 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Estee Lauder Companies. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Estee Lauder Companies is at $69.47. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Estee Lauder Companies faces its first support level at $65.94. If this support level remains intact, it could present a good entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Estee Lauder Companies from multiple analyst sources is classified as a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 7th of February, 2025, Paul J. Freeborg executed an insider purchase of 600 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Paul J. Freeborg also conducted an insider buy of 44,900 shares of Class A common stock. On the 5th of February, 2025, Akhil Shrivastava made an insider purchase of 700 shares of Class A common stock. On the 6th of February, 2025, Paul J. Freeborg again completed an insider buy of 3,700 shares of Class A common stock. On that same day, Paul J. Freeborg conducted another insider buy, this time acquiring 21,672 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 96.620. In total, insiders purchased 8,360,220 shares and sold 100,079 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $65.61, which reflects a decrease of 4.49%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Recently, we identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that emerged 6 days ago. Is Estee Lauder Companies stock a good buy? Estee Lauder Companies Incorporated holds several positive signals. However, we still do not find these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the current level, it should be considered a hold candidate, meaning it may be wise to hold or accumulate in this position while awaiting further developments. We have upgraded our analysis of this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a hold or accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 18th of February, we expect Estee Lauder Companies to open up approximately 70 cents and begin trading at $69.40. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.